Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aidalis. Today, I'd like to present my research proposal with the title A Mixed Method Study of Students' Anxiety During English or Presentation in English Foreign Language Context. And here are the first point, background. I have provided 4 points. First issue, there is students' anxiety during English or presentation in EFL context. Actually, this is the common problem for the students in EFL context. Why? Because according to Harun, Islam, and Rahman 2016 stated that it would be more difficult for the students of non-native speakers to be great confidence in English oral presentation class. And the second one is field. There are students' anxiety and English oral presentation. And the third one is focus. There are 2 points. First is levels of students' anxiety, and the second one is factors that affect students' anxiety. And the fourth one is gap. Actually, this research has conducted in the previous years and in several countries. Based on what I have read before, they are started from 2014 to 2020. And in several countries such as Indonesia, Brunei Darussalam, Taiwan, Korea, and Pakistan. And in this research, the setting in Indonesia and the focus of participants are the students in English Education Department 2017 in Siliwangi University. And the second one is research questions and hypotheses. In research questions, there are 2 points. First, what are the students' anxiety levels during English oral presentation in the classroom? And the second one, what are the factors that affect the Indonesian students' anxiety during English oral presentation in the classroom? And for hypotheses, first, there are some levels of students' anxiety during English oral presentation in the classroom. And the second one, there are students' anxiety factors during English oral presentation in the classroom. And the third one is research method. First, research design. I choose sequential explanatory mixed method design, which are quantitative and qualitative method, because according to Creswell 2009, that in analyzing and collecting the data, start from quantitative process and continues to qualitative process. And the next one is participant of the research. There are 2 points. First, population, and the second one, sample. In population, there is the students in English Education Department in Siliwangi University 2017. They are specifically for Class A and Class B. So the total population is 76 students. And the second one is sample. I choose purposive sample technique because this is based on my judgment and based on the needs of research. And then data collection technique. There are 2 stages. First, quantitative. Through questionnaire, I'll send the link of Google Form to WhatsApp group of English Education Department 2017, specifically to fill by Class A and Class B. And the second one is qualitative. I'll interview the participants through WhatsApp chatting. And the last one is data analysis technique. There are 2 stages. First is quantitative. The data from questionnaire, it will be calculated manually. Score started from 33 up to 165. And the result, it will be categorized into some level, started from very relaxed to very anxious. The theory by Mayangta 2013. And the second one is qualitative. The data from interview, it will be transcribed. After that, the data will be analyzed using Brown and Clark's 2006. That is thematic analysis. And here are the references of the research related to the topic, that is about students' anxiety during English oral presentation in the classroom. So that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.